You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the language on your iPhone. Open the Settings app and scroll down to tap General. Tap on Language and Region. Tap iPhone Language. You will see a list of available languages. Select your desired language, such as Espanol or Francés. A confirmation screen will appear showing a preview. Tap Change to Language. Your iPhone will immediately begin changing the system language. The screen will go dark for a moment, and then all menus, settings, and built-in apps will appear in the new language. This does not change the language of individual third-party apps. Those may need to be updated in their own settings. To add multiple keyboards for typing, go back to Language and Region and tap Keyboards. Tap Add New Keyboard and select your language. You can also change the region format for dates, times, and calendars in the same Language and Region menu. If you make a mistake, you can always navigate back using the settings icon, which remains in the same place. The process is reversible by following the same steps and selecting your original language. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.